Welcome to Cars Trends, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and reviews on the world of automobiles. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the most anticipated and revolutionary car of 2025, the Ferrari SF90, crafted from the finest woods. Yes, you read that right. The iconic Italian luxury sports car manufacturer has pushed the boundaries of innovation and sustainability by creating a car that combines cutting-edge technology with the warmth and elegance of wood. As we delve into the details of this extraordinary vehicle, you'll discover how Ferrari has redefined the future of automotive design, engineering, and sustainability. Design and bodywork. The Ferrari SF90 Wood Edition boasts a stunning design that seamlessly integrates wood into its sleek and aerodynamic body. The car's chassis and bodywork are crafted from a combination of advanced wood materials, including carbon fiber reinforced wood and sustainably sourced hardwoods. The SF90's exterior design is characterized by sleek lines, aggressive curves, and a low-slung stance. The car's front fascia features a distinctive wood-trimmed grille, which not only adds a touch of elegance but also helps to reduce weight and improve aerodynamics. The car's flanks are adorned with beautifully crafted wood trim, which flows seamlessly into the rear haunches. The SF90's rear design is equally impressive, with a dramatic wood-trimmed diffuser and a pair of slender LED taillights. Interior and features. Step inside the Ferrari SF90 Wood Edition, and you'll be greeted by a sumptuous interior that showcases the finest woods and premium materials. The car's dashboard, door panels, and center console are all crafted from rich, dark wood, which adds warmth and depth to the cabin. The SF90's interior also features a range of innovative technologies, including a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen display, a digital instrument cluster, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The car's seats are upholstered in the finest leather and feature intricate wood trim, which adds a touch of luxury and sophistication. The SF90 also features a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Powertrain and performance. The Ferrari SF90 Wood Edition is powered by a revolutionary hybrid powertrain, which combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with an advanced electric motor. The car's powertrain produces an astonishing 1,000 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the fastest and most powerful production cars on the market. The SF90's hybrid powertrain also features a range of innovative technologies, including regenerative braking, electric torque vectoring, and advanced energy recovery systems. The car's advanced all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability, making it a joy to drive on both road and track. Sustainability and environmental impact. The Ferrari SF90 Wood Edition is not only a stunning work of art but also a testament to the company's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The car's wood bodywork is crafted from sustainably sourced materials, which reduces the car's carbon footprint and minimizes waste. The SF90's hybrid powertrain also provides exceptional fuel efficiency and reduced emissions,